Rainforests are forests characterized by a closed and continuous tree canopy, moisture-dependent vegetation, the presence of epiphytes and lianas, and the absence of wildfire. Rainforests can be generally classified as tropical rainforests or temperate rainforests, but other types have been described. A natural rainforest emits and absorbs vast quantities of carbon dioxide. On a global scale, long-term fluxes are approximately in balance, so that an undisturbed rainforest would have a small net impact on atmospheric carbon dioxide levels, though they may have other climatic effects on cloud formation, for example, by recycling water vapor. No rainforest today can be considered to be undisturbed. As the driest inhabited continent in the world, Australia has unique challenges and opportunities when it comes to water. Water is one of our most important resources, and we must make sure it is sustainable, reliable, and resilient to drought and a changing climate. The saltwater crocodile, Crocodilus porosus, is a crocodilian native to saltwater habitats, brackish wetlands, and freshwater rivers from India's east coast across Southeast Asia and the Sundaik region to northern Australia and Micronesia. It has been listed as least concern on the IUCN Red List since 1996. It was hunted for its skin throughout its range up to the 1970s and is threatened by illegal killing and habitat loss. It is regarded as dangerous to humans. Liquid water is an essential requirement for life on Earth because it functions as a solvent. It is capable of dissolving substances and enabling key chemical reactions in animal, plant, and microbial cells. Its chemical and physical properties allow it to dissolve more substances than most other liquids.